Okay, so welcome everyone, and this is a little tutorial on how to do an XCOM kind of text, something like this. If you can realize what I'm going for. Now, what you're gonna start out is making a new file. I like to do a 500 by 500 because I usually do like these square stuff for tutorials. 16-bit I usually use, and make sure you make it transparent first because you don't want to mess up something before. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Now you're gonna want to just make a new layer and put some text there, and I gotta make this a little bit bigger. Wait, I gotta type something first. Yeah, well, I'm gonna type my initials. And I'm gonna make it large so it's on the whole screen, something like that. Then I'm gonna center it, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to activate outer glow, which are these settings right here. You can see it's 43A3BD, the color code. 100% opacity. The blend mode needs to be linear. Dodge, add. Spread of 14, size of 62, and range of 100. So that's gonna look like that so far. Now next thing we want to do is make an inner glow, which for this seems a bit too much. So we're gonna make it around 54 range, size of 27, source is on center, and opacity on 100%, and it's just white. This is just the color white. So it's gonna look like this so far. Now you gotta convert it to a smart object first, and then you want to make a new file of a 14 on 14, I think, if I remember correctly. And what you wanna do is make it on white. Yeah. And then you're gonna have this. Now you're gonna zoom in, you're gonna fit on screen. Then you're gonna have this. And what you wanna do is make a new layer and select your gradient tool. Now you might not find this. What you need to do is hold click, and instead of the paint bucket tool, which you'll probably have, you'll select the gradient tool. So now you go up here and select this gradient and this form of kind of stuff. I don't know how to call it, like this this shape right there, and then you drag it from here and to lower. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. So yeah, you're going to go into edit, then go down until you find define pattern, and then you do that and you call it, like, I don't know, lines, not lines. There we go, and we have that now. Now we return to this part, and you need to make this a smart object. You gotta have that. So it's solid, you can't change it, the text or anything anymore. You gotta stick with one text. Then you open it again, and you put a pattern overlay, and you will select your pattern. Yeah, this should be the one. Yeah, this is what you're done. And the opacity needs to be 55%, and it needs to be on the hard light settings. And now you're gonna have this. Now this doesn't look pretty fun, so we are just going to make this a black background, and you see now it looks like this. Now that's very easy to do, so you can do that with any text and it looks so good. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to know, and this looks really cool. Like, this is actually a very cool design. All you need to, like, the hard part is just this, but it's not even hard. That's all. Like, you just need to copy some patterns and some outer glow and inner glow, and that's pretty much it, and you're done. So yeah, that looks really cool in my opinion. Like, I see it looking really cool, and then you're just gonna save as and something, just save it as something. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and well, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.